Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 E450 4MATIC wagon. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Luxury exterior with the Mercedes-Benz hood ornament. A macchiato beige espresso brown leather interior, burl walnut trim, sunroof, E450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting, driver's assistance packet with Distronic Plus, with steering assist, speed limit assist, smartphone integration with Android Auto, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Wagon has 13,108 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Mercedes-Benz E450 4MATIC wagon, visit us at feldmanimports.com.